You alright, mate?
I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I'm not bad. I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. You say I look sad, they say I'm just fine. Middle fingers up, singing motherfuck like I'm not a tough guy, not a big puss. I'm close to the lip of the cliff, bitch. Push, I swim good, I can't swim. Nonetheless, the water feels nice. Dive in and drown like a fast. I'm down for the cash, but I'm out for the count. In my house and I'm rash, no doubt. I've been out in the town on the mash, searching for fresh baked pasty to smash. But all I could find was a stale steak bake. It's all in your mind and I'm fine, yeah I'm great. Baked bean slice on a shit stained plate. And I don't know how much more I could take. Depends on the mood, I'm live in the cup. Depressed and confused, hyping it up. Or stressed with the blues, riding the slug. Desperate to lose, high on my drugs. So fetch me my booze, I want booze. Bring me my booze so I can get drunk. You on point, yeah, but what's the point? Where's my poisonous toys? I'ma play the dumb cunt. Bring me my booze, bring me my booze. Bring me my booze so I can get drunk. You on point, nah, I'ma drink till I throw up and sniff this coke up. Give a fuck, you say I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. You say I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. You say I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. You say I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm not bad, I feel great. You say I'm alright, I stayed up all night, sniffing shit coke and talking pure shite until the dawn light. I don't know which day, time to make moves, I don't know which way. I got this shit brain that keeps telling me to do things. Some days it's painful, some days it's amusing. It depends on the mood and the way that it's moving. I can go from fully gassed to a tragic balloons in the blink of an eye. I sink from the sky, still hopelessly wondering which one am I. Decided I'm done sticking fingers in pie. Stick my whole fist in and lick off the slime in the grotesque manner with the rum soaked drool. Slur through the slime and I'm fine, this is cool. I know this won't make me any happier at all, but this is my life, I'ma grab it by the balls. I'm paddling a pool full of mermaid piss in the tropics with a fifth chick and more than 6 quid in my pocket. I'm on it, I got this, and all I gotta do is smash all tomorrow's parties, right, all tomorrow's tunes. And I'm sure there's a few more miles in me left yet. 1 foot gammy leg, Vietnam vet, step stars, bigger holographic headset. Too futuristic for all you rap dickheads to get, yeah, Kez, illin, form, chin, check, give it to me for sure, brought in, sweat, pilly, porn, I'm alright, I'm okay, I'm pretty sure, pretty sure, kicking in the door, knickers on the floor, your missus on the floor, sorry, but once a Kez, always a Kez, alright, I'm alright, and every day getting better. My mate a bell to talk about myself and how I'm living large now, everything's swell. Hanging out a helicopter, puffing on an L, pulling puppies out of well.
It ain't hard to tell.
I'm obviously a G, I'm what you wanna be. If you knew what you wanted, lather me in dog shit and shoot me into space to rep the human race. Give it up for me, I'm Mr. Fucking Key. I ain't listen, I was too busy giving up my seat to pregnant women and disabled kids and grannies on the bus. I don't give a fuck, no need to make a fuss. Give it up for us, lather me in parts and throw me in the sea. The answer's in the sea, Liam's seen it on TV. And I believe anything that anybody say. The universe provides, all you gotta do is pray. And help me on this way, can you help me on my way? It's torturous in my mind, ego's on the rise, vital organs in decline. I walk the fucking line, and it's fine. But you ever get the feeling that you're running out of time? I ain't got the time, no, you ain't got the time. We ain't got the time, wrap me up another line. Pour another cup of wine, me and mine are busy trying to connect with the divine. And motherfucker, that's why I ain't got the time. You ain't got the time, we ain't got the time. More lines, more wine, all good, it's all fine. Do you ever get the feeling that you're running out of time? I guarantee that everything you gave my mate a shout. Tell him all about how this psychedelic pig fat's fucking with my gout. In the river travelers, tickling a trout, which nipple in my mouth, there's very little doubt. I'm blatantly a boss, naked on the cross, shooting lasers out my knob. All you pagans in the dance, time to take a stance. We ain't got a chance, might as well neck and necky, have a little dance with Montgomery and Lance. Or sit about a yard and rage against yourself. You can't hide from the machine, you're part of the machine. I'm part of the machine. Blame it on the reptiles, blame it on the queen. I tried to live the dream, but the dream ain't what it seems. When Morocco got the pot, but I never made tagine. You know what I mean? Wait, or probably you don't know. Don't know by now, we ain't got a fucking hoe. Sucker, wake up. And other bait stuff, like I love to take drugs. And I really like dogs, I really like dogs. And brand new white socks on some Dr. Seuss box shit. Switch, no box, motherfucker. You cannot put this in a box. I've been doing this since a weird little misfit. Bust the bar, healed up, drop the yellow tops, but the rave got locked off.
Police in helicopter.